Hey guys, so story number four is a pretty funny story about some missing beer. When I just graduated from high school, Damien was about to become a junior. It was that summer in between those years. And we were over our friend Tanya's house after we had managed to procure a case of beer. Tanya managed to take about 5 beers out of that case and then kicked us out of the house. So we took the remaining 25 beers and kind of walked over to the street corner and started taking them out and enjoying them. So as we were drinking them, a security officer from the condo complex we lived in came over to us, asked, what are we doing? Said, we're drinking. Asked, are you 21? And I said that I was. And he asked for for my ID, to which I said, "Oh, I don't have it. I have it back at my house." And the officer, obviously having heard that before, said, "All right, well then we'll walk back to your house and see if you could find it." And then proceeded to take the rest of the case of beer and put it in his truck. So we started to walk back towards my house, and I guess I must have been nervous because I took off in a sprint running back to my house so that I wouldn't have to get caught and have to explain anything. Damien followed.
Actually, we ran behind somebody else's house, hid under a porch for a half hour, then went back to his house.
So we got back to my house without any beer. I was pretty angry. So I did the only thing that, a smart 18-year-old would think of in that situation.
For the record, I just wanted to go to sleep. It was shitty beer.
And the decision that we made was that we were going to dress up like ninjas in black outfits, and we were going to go back and try to steal the beer back that was wrongfully taken from us. So we went up to the clubhouse area of the complex where the police rent-a-cop had his car there. And we started looking around trying to find which car was his. So in doing so, we were looking inside the cars of cars that were not his. And apparently one of those people saw two people dressed in black looking inside their car and rightfully thought that someone was trying to steal their stereo. So they called the Newington Police Department, and a couple minutes later, we were in the middle of a chase with dogs chasing us through the forest, and police officers running at us with guns blazing, or guns out. So we both fell on our knees, hands up in the air. We were both arrested for conspiracy to commit burglary, charges that were both eventually released and dropped. But that was all because we needed to get our beer back.
And the reason the charges got dropped is the cops drank our beer. They walked into the police station while we were sitting there in cuffs and even complained that we had brought them shitty beer.
They said that was our real crime. So that's story number four. $100 more. We'll give you story number 5. Thanks, guys.